Welcome to your Pilot Growth Dashboard training. This tool helps you see student progress across the whole pilot at a glance. Step 1. Open the Google Sheet template. You'll find the link in your pilot kit. Click File, then make a copy. This keeps your data private to your school. Step 2. In your copy, enter class averages for pre, mid, and post assessments. Vocabulary, Comprehension, Fluency, Writing, and SEL. Each field matches your pilot binder scoring sheets, so just transfer the numbers. Step 3. Open the Looker Studio dashboard template. Again, click File, then make a copy. When prompted, connect it to your version of the Google Sheet. To connect, click Create Data Source. Choose Google Sheets. Select your copy of the Pilot Growth Sheet. Pick the tab called Class Data. Click Connect. Then click the blue Add to Report button. That's it. From now on, your dashboard updates automatically whenever you enter new data into the sheet. Here's what you'll see. Bar charts showing growth across schools and grades. Scorecards comparing pre and post progress in fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. Pie charts that visualize SEL confidence. This gives your team a simple, visual snapshot of how the pilot is moving students forward. Not just numbers, but readers gaining confidence and identity. If you'd like extra support, remember, your pilot kit includes a quick guide and screenshots. You're now ready to track growth like a pro. Let's unleash greatness together